Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a lower calorie ham and cheese sandwich. First thing I'm going to use it's Sara Lee 45 calorie bread. So there is Nichols 35 calorie too if you want to go lower. This right here is going to have only 1 gram of fat in it. Has 4 grams of fiber in it and 5 grams of protein in it. So we'll use 2 slices, that'll be 90 calories. And then for the ham, I'm just going to be using thin sliced honey ham. 1 serving of this is only 60 calories. And it's 1.5 grams of fat in it, 3 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of protein in this. And you can use any kind of ham that you want to use. It's really your preference on that. And then I'm gonna have to use fat-free shredded cheese. I don't know where I live, it's very hard to get sliced fat-free cheese. Most of the stores I go to do not carry it. So if it is something that you can find in your local stores, suggest that you get that. The fat-free sliced cheese will definitely work better when you're trying to make this ham and cheese sandwich. But again, I'm just going to use probably 2 servings of this. So it'll be 90 calories. And 1 serving is 45 calories with 2 grams of carbohydrates, 9 grams of protein in it. We'll see how much it comes out to be. If 1 serving is enough to make this sandwich, I might just use the 1. But again, it's to your preference on how much cheese that you want to get on this. Again, the sliced cheese would be definitely a better alternative if you're going to do the sliced cheese. But like I said, it's very hard to come by. So we're going to just try to do 1 serving of the cheese and see where that gets us. If that's not enough cheese for this, then I will add some more. But 28 grams. And I weigh everything out. Food scale, about 10 bucks. Very easy to buy. Very low price. And it's gonna be something that really helps you out long term. So 10-15 bucks to buy a food scale. Definitely, I highly suggest you get one if you haven't had one already. Then we're just gonna throw it on the pan here. And instead of buttering my bread with regular butter, I'm just going to be using, I can't believe it's not butter. 0 calories in this. Definitely going to save you tons of calories instead of spreading on regular butter. Even the spread of I can't believe it's not butter is it's like 60 calories for a tablespoon. So definitely highly suggest use the spray. And this is going to save you tons of calories. So I'm really going to coat it. Flip over the butter side. I already weighed out my ham. This is 1 serving. So it comes out to about 5 thin slices. And we'll go ahead and just add on the cheese here. And it definitely looks like the one serving of this is gonna do perfectly well. So I'm just gonna stick with one serving of the cheese. Definitely harder to do with the shredded cheese, but definitely doable. Flip that over. Definitely from going from the fat-free cheese, using no butter, you're gonna save yourself so many calories on this. It's gonna be a decent amount of protein in this for one sandwich. And it's very quick and easy to make. I mean, all you needed was the bread. Use any kind of bread that you want. I like to stay lower calorie. Again, I could have went with the 35 calorie bread, but they were out of it, so I went with the 45 calorie fat-free cheese. All it is protein. Any kind of ham that you prefer. Just try to stick to something that's a little bit more leaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry this up, and then I'll come back and share the macros with you for this one sandwich. Now, you don't have to have one of these griddle pans, but it definitely helps when cooking this up. And it really helps in making sure to get the cheese nice and melted on there. You can make this, again, if you don't like it hot, you don't have to make it hot. You can just make it with the sliced cheese, the ham, and the bread, really to your preference. But I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rest of this up. So there you go, came out really nice. I can't believe it's not butter. Definitely helps it, it's not sticking. Both sides are nice and toasted up. Everything's melted in there. Cheese is nice and melted. So if you made this whole thing exactly like I made it, it's only going to come out to $240 calories. So if you use the same kind of bread, and again, if you use the lower calorie bread, it's going to be less calories than that. But for one sandwich, you're getting 240 calories, 25 grams of carbs, 2.5 grams of fat. And I mean, 2.5 grams of fat is nothing. If you would have used butter, if you would have put on regular cheese, I mean, your fat would have skyrocketed. The calories would have skyrocketed. And in this one sandwich alone, 34 grams of protein. So one sandwich, 240 calories, 34 grams of protein. You make two of these things, what, 480 calories, 68 grams of protein. You're also getting 5 grams of fiber in this. Make two of these sandwiches, 10 grams of fiber in this. So definitely a great alternative when you want a hot ham and cheese sandwich. 2 sandwiches, 480 calories. I mean, you're sticking under 500 calories. That's not bad at all. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.